Government to admit girl cadets in all Sainik schools from 2021 to 2022. Exam postponed for the fourth time. MPSC candidates take to Pune streets in protest. IIT Delhi and Hebrew University of Jerusalem partner to support interdisciplinary research. Delhi Technological University partners with Samsung to set up Innovation Lab. Anna University pulled up for giving reservation to EWS. Indian students are now matching global standards because of NEP 2020, says Om Birla. 8.6 lakh students register for Pariksha Pe Charcha 2021. No multiple attempts for NEET 2021. Exam date to release soon, says NTA. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Union government on Wednesday said it has decided to admit girl cadets in all Sainik schools across the country from the academic session 2021 to 2022. At present, 33 Sainik schools are operating in the country. After the success of pilot project for admission of girl cadets in Sainik School Chingchip, Mizoram in the academic session 2018 to 2019, the government has decided to admit girl cadets along with boys in all Sainik schools from the academic session 2021 to 2022. Minister of State for Defence Shripad Nayak said in Lok Sabha. He also said the government is proposing to bring a new scheme for setting up Sainik schools in the country in partnership with NGOs, private schools and state governments. After the state government announced postponement of the Maharashtra Public Service Commission, that is the MPSC exam, only 3 days before it was to be conducted, angry candidates took to the streets in Pune to protest and demand that the exams be conducted as per schedule. This is the fourth time when the exam date has been postponed, following which angry candidates blocked Shastri Road for over 4 hours on Thursday. A large police presence and teams of riot control police were deputed on the road to bring the situation under control. The MPSC entrance exam was scheduled to be held on March 14th, and even hall tickets had been issued to students. But given the COVID-19 situation in the state and corresponding directives of the Disaster Management Cell, the Commission issued a notification on Thursday afternoon saying the exams have again been postponed. The exams have been earlier postponed thrice due to the various reasons like the pandemic situation and the Maratha reservation issue. IIT Delhi today announced its partnership with the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, Israel, to support collaborative and interdisciplinary education and research initiatives. Student exchange is another key partnership priority, which will help students get benefited from the academic and entrepreneurial environments of the two institutions, said IIT Delhi. Professor V. Ram Gopal Rao, director of IIT Delhi, said, "At IIT Delhi, we lay great emphasis on international collaborations. We are happy to sign this MOU with the Hebrew University, and both the institutions have agreed to seed fund researchers in their respective institutions to collaborate with each other. I'm sure these interactions will lead to long-term partnerships between the two institutions benefiting the two countries." Samsung India on Thursday launched a Samsung Innovation Lab at Delhi Technological University that will focus on collaborative research and training. At the lab, students and faculty at DTU will work on advanced technology training as well as joint research collaborations on domains such as application framework, multimedia, health and security, thereby making students industry ready, a statement said. Samsung engineers and DTU students will also work on innovative sustainable research projects to solve real-life problems that can benefit society. Collaborative research projects will be open to BTech, MTech and PhD students at DTU. They will receive certificates for their contribution at the end of each project. The Anna University was pulled up by the Madras High Court on Wednesday for allegedly providing 10% reservation within the 49.5% reservation to candidates belonging to economically weaker sections in admission to MTech Biotechnology and MTech Computational Technology courses. The judge made the observation when pleas from two aspiring candidates came up on Wednesday. The university had suspended the two courses following the insistence of the centre that it should adhere to the 49.5% reservation alone and not the 69% quota policy of the Tamil Nadu government in the admission of students to these two courses. The judge on February 19th had directed the university to admit students to the two courses following the central government's 49.5% reservation for the current academic year. The case of the petitioners might be considered under this quota, he had added. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla on Thursday said many Indian students who had gone abroad for studies have returned due to the COVID-19 pandemic and now want to continue education in the country only, credited the new education policy for their choice. Indian students are now matching global standards of education because of the new policy's focus on skill-based education, he said. He emphasized that the goal of the new education policy is to change the objective and course content of the education sector. Pariksha Pe Charcha 2021, this year's edition of the annual event hosted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi before the exam season to share tips with students and boost their morale, is taking in registrations. Over 8.6 lakh students have already registered for the session to overcome exam stress. This year, the event will also include parents and teachers. Over 2.25 lakh teachers and 78,000 parents have registered for Pariksha Pe Charcha 2021 as yet. The event will be held virtually this year. Pariksha Pe Charcha is the event closest to my heart. Thousands of schools from the entire country participate in this, and I feel how the youth of the country think and what they want to do, PM Modi said during last year's event. Following speculations that attempts of national eligibility cum entrance test, that is NEET 2021, will be increased to twice, the National Testing Agency DG Vineet Joshi today confirmed that the medical entrance examination for undergraduate courses will be held only once this year. The dates for NEET will be released soon. The speculations of more attempts were raised after Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal announced that the JEE Main will be held 4 times a year. The Students' Teachers Affront demanded to increase the NEET attempts, taking cognizance of the COVID-19 pandemic situation. In January this year, the Education Minister had also hinted that there might be more internal choice questions for NEET 2021. However, there will not be any syllabus cut. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.